Introducing student accounts. Student accounts are a new addition to Bloom's, which creates a personalized experience for the student. This connects the student and the teacher directly. Student accounts are great for high school and middle school classes. When creating a new class, Bloom's will ask you to fill in what grade the class is in. After clicking Next, you will be allowed to add student accounts. To invite students to the class, click on Access Codes, then For Students. Bloom's offers two ways to invite students. The first way is to generate a specific code for each student by typing each one in. After manually typing each student, you can also link each parent to the student. Or you can send parents an email in which they can link themselves to the student. From here, you can print out snippets for each student, or you can print/send a PDF of instructions to each student. The second way to invite students is by generating a common class code, which can be given to anyone. You can also print out a PDF which you can easily give to your students.